Congratulations, you've received your boat care kit. Chances are you've received it one or two ways. Either we've just ceramic coated your boat and we've given it to you, or you've purchased it off of our shelf so you can maintain your boat. Either way, there's a ton of good products in here, and we're going to use this video to show you how they're used to keep that boat freshly detailed. Your boat care kit was designed with 6 easy steps, and they're all labeled for you to follow. Step 1 is your wash and wax, and that's what you're going to wash your boat with. Step 2 is going to be your degreaser, and you're going to use that down in the bilge or some of your tougher stains maybe around your trailer components. Step 3 is your hull cleaner, and you're going to use that for those hard stains that usually show up below the water level. Step 4 is your deck wash, and you'll use it to wash the deck of the boat. Step 5 is your 303, and that's going to be used to protect your vinyl and the stitching on it after you've cleaned the boat. Step 6 is your easy gloss, and that's what you're going to use as a quick detailer to wipe everything down once the boat has been washed and dried. And finally, your care kit's going to come with a mitt. That's what you're going to use to wash the boat, and a grit guard that goes in the bottom of the bucket, and that keeps any loose debris from floating up into the water and getting back in the mitt. So step 1 in maintaining your boat is we're going to wash it. You want to fill up the bucket about 2/3 of the way with water, and then we're going to add a couple ounces of step 1 wash and wax to the bucket. That will give you good suds as you're washing the boat and help loosen up debris. Step 2 is going to be our degreaser, and we want to use that around the bilge areas and any other area that may be harder to clean. So you can spray it around the batteries and the components, wipe it down with one of the microfiber towels that we provided, and then make sure you rinse it thoroughly. The third step is you're going to want to use the hull cleaner we provided for those harder areas that are on the bottom that may be stained. Now use caution if you're using this on a boat that's only been waxed or sealed, as this product will strip those off. Step 4 is your deck wash, and you're going to use it to wash the deck of the boat. Unlike step 3, the hull cleaner, step 4 is not going to strip any wax or seal, so it's safe to use on the inside of the boat. After all the seats have been washed, you're going to move on to step 5, where we provided 303, and that's going to be a protectant that you will spray on and wipe off all of the upholstery, and that's going to provide a nice sunscreen to protect it from the elements. Step 6 will be the last step, and after the boat's been washed and dried and you've treated all the vinyl, you can go over the boat with the quick detailer that we provide, and it's going to leave behind a little seal and some more protectant. I want to thank you for choosing Easy In for your detailing needs. Hopefully this video will give you the step-by-step guide into maintaining your boat after we've detailed it. Keep in mind, if you need a refill on chemicals, you can come by the store and we'll make sure to take care of you. We've also provided a link on the bucket to easily reschedule your detail when it comes that time. We look forward to hearing from you.